How to create keyboard shortcuts. Open the Start menu and click All Apps. Find the app you want to create a keyboard shortcut for. Click it and drag it from the Start menu onto the desktop. Right-click the desktop shortcut and click Properties. Properties window will open. Under the Shortcut tab, you should see a line that says Shortcut Key. Click the text box next to this line. The new shortcut will appear as Ctrl+Alt+ key. Click Apply. Use your new keyboard shortcut to open up the programmer.